INKBIRD Smart Home Innovations. Meet thermometer, sprinkler controller, radon, and pool sensors. Are you ready to transform your home into a smart haven? INKBIRD, a trailblazer in smart home technology, has just unveiled 4 incredible products that promise to make your life easier, safer, and more efficient. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast, a gardening guru, or simply someone who values a healthy living environment, these innovative gadgets are designed with you in mind. Let's dive into what INKBIRD has to offer. 1. INT-11I-B Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Say goodbye to overcooked meals. The INT-11I-B is here to revolutionize your cooking experience. With cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.4 technology, you can monitor your food's temperature right from your smartphone. Perfect for grilling, smoking, or baking, this thermometer boasts a remarkable 1,000 feet /305 m Bluetooth range, so you can move around freely while cooking. An IP67 waterproof rating, making it dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Customizable alarms and USDA presets to ensure your meat is cooked to perfection. A rechargeable battery that lasts up to 25 hours, so you can cook without worry. 2. IC400 Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller. Take control of your garden with the IC400 Wi-Fi. This smart sprinkler controller is designed to conserve water while keeping your plants healthy. Here's what makes it stand out. Remote control via a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to manage up to 4 zones effortlessly. 6 watering start times and 4 cyclic options for each zone, tailored to your garden's needs. Features like rain skip and seasonal adjustments ensure your garden gets just the right amount of water. All your settings are preserved even during power outages, so you never have to worry about losing your schedule. 3. INKBIRD Radon Detector. Your health is paramount, and the INKBIRD is here to help you monitor radon levels in your home with lab-grade accuracy. This device offers a real-time LCD display that keeps you informed at a glance. 365 days of data storage, so you can track changes over time. An impressive battery life of up to 2 years, ensuring long-term monitoring. Perfect for various locations in your home, including the garage, basement, and living room. 4. IBS-M2 Wireless Pool Thermometer plus IBS-M2 Wi-Fi Gateway. For pool and spa owners, the IBS-M2 set is a game-changer. Enjoy effortless temperature monitoring with a wireless connection range of up to 300 feet /91 m, so you can check the temperature from anywhere. A Wi-Fi gateway that includes a temperature-humidity sensor for your indoor environment. An IPX7 waterproof design with a silicone sealing ring, ensuring durability. 24-hour monitoring with real-time alarm notifications, so you're always in the know. At INKBIRD, the mission is clear: to blend innovation with practicality. These new products empower you to take control of your environment, whether it's perfecting your culinary skills, conserving water, or ensuring a safe home atmosphere. Availability and pricing. Excited to get your hands on these innovative products? They are now available for purchase at https://inkbird.com/right-bracket. Here's a quick look at the prices and discounts. 1. INT-11I-B, originally $50, now just $35 after a $15 discount. 2. IC400 Wi-Fi, priced at $59.99. 3. INKBIRD, available for $129.99. 4. IBS-M2 plus IBS-M2, originally $89.99, now only $59.99 with a fantastic $30 discount. About INKBIRD. INKBIRD specializes in IoT-enabled devices that enhance cooking, home automation, and outdoor living. From wireless meat thermometers to air quality monitors, their commitment to innovation and user-friendly design empowers customers worldwide to elevate their daily lives with technology. Don't miss out on these exciting new products that can truly make a difference in your home.